Our medical relief kits were birthed out of the need for this essential medical supplies. This essential medical supplies is used every day all over the world, and the need could not be greater.
Spending a lot of time with our executive leadership team putting together these medical kits, which TCO is a proud partner of, and we're hoping it's going to be a glowing success for the Matter team, and looking forward to doing it in our clinics as well. It's nice to just do some tasks and bond with the team. I'm a little sweaty, as is everybody else, but it's nice to work up a sweat, get away from the desk, and there's a lot of great supplies here, and hopefully, like the video we saw earlier, people don't ever actually need them, but if and when they do, they'll have the supplies that they need in a timely fashion. We've collaborated and partnered with Matter formally, and we're volunteering our time to put them together, and we're hoping to cascade this to the rest of the employee base, which we've got about 3,000 employees, so we think we can make a pretty significant impact in moving this initiative forward for Matter team. What really resonated for us when we heard about this opportunity is it aligns with what we do as a medical practice. Obviously we're in orthopedics, and this is more general medicine, and we're in the business of helping people. And as is Matter, which is why our interests align, and specifically in the medical supply side of things.
Thank you, TCO, for all of your help creating our first ever medical relief kit. This hospital here is one of the places that your kits will be going to. We're at Benga. It's a rural hospital in Zimbabwe. And all of these people here today matter.